Hey, Dylan here. I thought I'd do a little video on the Keto Mojo Ketone Meter. For those that aren't familiar with it, you will need a finger poker, the meter itself, and the ketone test strips from Keto Mojo. You'll have to play with the adjustments on your finger pokers. Any finger poker will work as long as you can get blood drawn. And what you want to do is on these strips, there's a microchip on one end, right here, and then there's a little straw on the other end, right here. You do not put the blood on the top of this straw. You stick it to the edge when you get your droplet, and it'll suck it up into that little brass looking straw there. So to get started, what you want to do is take the strip, microchip part face up, insert it into the meter. The screen will come on, tell you that it's checking the strip. It will acknowledge the strip as a ketone strip by displaying 780. When this little blood droplet is blinking, that means it's ready to receive blood. So then, I've already done this, but you will insert the little finger poker new one in there, lock that, adjust the depth that you required to get an adequate amount of blood from you, pull that back until the little orange dot is lit up. Then the best finger I've seen to use has been the ring finger. Just works better on me and most people in general from what I've read. And then you'll just push the button when you're ready, poke the finger, and make sure you squeeze your finger a little bit and get a good amount of blood on there, because you'll get a CF error, or an EF error, which is a error fill. And then what you want to do is take the meter, stick it right up to the edge of that blood, and let it suck up. Let's get this focused here. No good angle here. Trying to get it where you can see the little straw. You'll see it suck the blood up in there till it fills up. You see it running in there? And it's going to count down. And as soon as the countdown's done, it'll give you your ketone readings. So mine are 2.0. And when you get done, what you want to do is there's an eject button on the side here. You just push it forward, hold it over the trash can. I don't have one right here, so I'm going to hold the strip. But it will push the strip out and turn the machine off. And the machine does have a memory when you hit this button when it's off with no strip. Twice, it'll bring up the last red, then the last red before that, so on and so forth. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Facebook here, and I will post a link. Some people, you only get 10 with the meters that we're getting from Vallara, so I'll post a link to where you can get extra strips for the meter. Thank you.